In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life in Notion. Second Brain Setup. We'll walk through grabbing a ready-made Second Brain template from Notion's marketplace and setting it up so it actually works for you. First, open the Notion website in your browser. You'll land on the home interface where your workspace lives. From here, head to the marketplace. This is Notion's official gallery of templates carefully designed by creators and the Notion team. It's the fastest way to start with a solid structure instead of building everything from scratch. Once you're in the marketplace, look for the search bar at the top. Click into it and type Second Brain. This phrase brings up templates that centralize your tasks, projects, notes, and resources in one place. The results may include several versions with different layouts and styles, but the core idea is the same. A system to capture information, organize it, and make it easy to find later. Now, select the Second Brain template you prefer. Click into its page to preview to screenshots, read the description, and scan any included databases like projects, tasks, notes, areas, resources, or archive. When you're confident it matches your style, click Add. This copies the template into your workspace so you can start working immediately. After the template is added, it's time to make it yours. Begin by renaming the main dashboard to something that motivates you. Open each database and check their properties. For tasks, confirm fields like due date, priority, and status reflect how you actually manage work. For projects, review goals, timelines, and outcomes. For notes, decide on tags or topics that you'll consistently use. Keep names short and clear so they're easy to scan. Customize views so the information you need appears first. Create a today or this week view for tasks, a Kanban board for project stages, and a simple list for reference materials. Adjust filters to show only what's relevant and hide properties you never touch. Next, tailor the dashboard. Rearrange sections so your top priorities sit at the top. Add quick links to your most used pages and drop in a capture section where you can quickly add tasks or notes without leaving the dashboard. Finally, test the flow. Add a sample project, break it into tasks, attach notes or resources, and watch how everything connects. When it feels smooth, you're set. Your Second Brain is ready to keep you organized and in control.